Welcome back to the channel, your premier destination for high-speed 3D printing reviews, desktop maker gear breakdowns, budget workstation guides, and automated additive manufacturing showcases. Today, we are putting one of the most popular upgraded budget printers under the spotlight, a fast, feature-packed desktop machine built for makers, students, and hobbyists who want high-speed performance and high-temperature printing without breaking the bank. The Creality Ender 3v3K. For years, entry-level 3D printing meant slow print speeds, frequent nozzle clogs, and frustrating manual bed leveling. The Ender 3v3K redefines the Ender series by pairing Creality's high-speed architecture with high-temperature printing capabilities straight out of the box. Speed and stability are driven by heavy-duty dual-axis linear rails on the X and Z axes. Combined with input shaping algorithms that compensate for mechanical vibrations, the V3K reaches impressive max speeds up to 500 mm per second with acceleration up to 8,000 mm per second squared. That means you can complete multi-hour prints in a fraction of the time with smooth surface finishes and crisp corners. At the core of the toolhead is Creality's proven Sprite direct drive extruder, paired with the upgraded 60-watt ceramic Hotend heater. This high-flow thermal setup reaches temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. As a result, you are not limited to basic PLA. You can easily print flexible TPU, durable PETG, ABS, and high-strength technical materials. Bed calibration is completely automated thanks to CR Touch Auto Leveling. The printer automatically scans the build surface, creates a precise height map, and sets nozzle Z offset before every job, eliminating manual thumbwheel adjustments. Navigating settings is seamless via the bright 4.3-inch color touchscreen running Creality OS. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to slice models remotely, send print files from your PC or mobile phone using Creality Cloud, and monitor print status without needing an SD card. The system also features dual model cooling fans to set overhangs rapidly, a flexible spring steel pay build plate for easy model removal, and a spacious build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm. Combining 500 mm per second print speed, 300 degrees Celsius Sprite direct drive extrusion, CR Touch Auto Leveling, and Creality OS Smart Control, the Ender 3v3K is a top-tier choice for budget high-speed printing. If you enjoyed this Creality Ender 3v3K hardware breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. What high-speed TPU or high-temp project are you printing first on this machine?